Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials. Pick a penalty taker with strong PK and composure and decide whether you want placement or power. Aim for a corner immediately, then align your body. This influences shot trajectory. Once aligned, pick a run-up style. Use a short run-up for controlled placement or a longer run-up for added power. Practice reading the goalkeeper's movement in replays, because knowing whether they dive early versus late changes your timing and where you place the ball. You focus on timing, begin your run-up and decide when to press the shoot button, tap for a finesse chip, or hold for measured power. Aim slightly beyond where the keeper starts to dive. This creates a tiny dead space the ball can occupy. Use 1/2 power for precise placement to the corner, or slightly more if keeper reads low. During the final steps, use the analog stick to micro-adjust. This lets you alter placement late, keeping the keeper guessing and increasing conversion probability. You complete the penalty by watching the follow-through. A short, controlled follow-through improves accuracy, while an aggressive follow-through adds power but less placement. Once done, analyze failures. If the keeper saved low, rehearse high chips and top corners, and if misses hit the post, slightly reduce power. Make sure to check controller dead zone and stick sensitivity if you see consistent directional drift, because small hardware offsets will ruin aiming precision. Adjust those settings and then rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.